The integral drying room machine is made of a drying host and a drying room into a container, and the drying room has a drying car and a drying plate. The advantages are convenient and fast movement and transportation, small footprint, no need for debugging and installation, and can be used directly after power connection, no construction personnel and costs, saving construction time, durable, can be used outdoors, good sealing and heat preservation, low noise, more energy saving. When drying flower materials, the discharged rose water can be collected, and the concentrated components can be extracted as raw materials for making essential oils, fragrances, and other products.